Hey, it's Dhiman here. Hope you all doing well. Today I have something special for you, a powerful little gadget that promises to keep your devices charged on the go. It's the Xiaomi Powerbank 4i, boasting a massive 20,000 mAh capacity. I got it from Flipkart at just 1646 rupees. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's see if it lives up the hype or not. The packaging is sleek, typical of Xiaomi products. First up, we have the powerbank itself. As I peel off the plastic, I can already feel the excitement building up. It feels solid and has a matte finish, which is really nice. We also get a Type C to Type C cable and of course a user manual, though who reads those anyways, right? At first it looks stylish and portable. The design is minimalistic, which I love. Now let's take a closer look at the ports. It features two USB-A and one USB-C port, so you can charge multiple devices at once. And this Type C input can be used for charging the power bank itself. Now that we have unboxed it, let's talk about my personal experience using this power bank. I have had it for few weeks now. First off, the charging capacity is fantastic. I have charged my smartphone multiple times without needing to recharge the power bank itself. The 20,000 mAh capacity is a no joke. It's perfect for long trips or just daily use. One feature I really appreciate is the fast charging capability. It supports 33 watt sonic charging, which means I can get my devices charged up quickly, and that's a game changer for those busy days. It can even charge your MacBook or laptop, making it a versatile companion for all your devices. Now let's talk about the build quality. It feels sturdy and durable. It's also surprisingly lightweight for its capacity. I can easily toss it in my bag without feeling like I am carrying a brick. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While it does have fast charging, it only supports fast charging output on one port at a time. So if you are using all ports, the charging speed will be a bit slower. One cool feature is the low power discharge mode. Just double tap to enable it and safely charge your low power devices. Plus, you can easily check the remaining battery status by pressing the button, which will light up the 4 indicators to show you how much juice you have left. Overall, I am really impressed with the Xiaomi Powerbank 4i. For just 1650 rupees, it offers incredible value, a solid design and a great performance. Whether you are a traveler or a student or just someone who's always on their phone, this power bank is definitely worth considering. So that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing and review. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Are you going to buy this power bank or not? And I will see you in the next one.